Without it, we won't be able to run the computer during electricity failure. So we see that all the parts of a computer are important and we cannot leave out any part.
Okay, Lydia, we are studying computer. Okay, lesson number 2. So open your textbook and exercise copy where you have written the question answers, and we will revise it. Next, Mithoy. All the parts of a computer are important. Discuss.
The different parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and UPS. Monitor. It looks like a TV screen, and it shows the output. Without monitor, we will not be able to see the result. UPS, the full form in Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of the computer, and without this, the computer will not work. Keyboard, we took the input data into the computer with the help of keyboard. Without keyboard, we will not be able to type. Mouse helps us to point and select things in the computer. It helps us to draw pictures. Without mouse, would be we would be able to draw, click, and select. UPS, full form in
Uninterrupted power supply.
Power supply. Without it, we won't be able to run the computer during electricity failure.
Failure.
So we see that all the parts of a computer are important, and we cannot leave out any part.
Any parts, yes. Next is this one. Yaisana, tell me the answer. All the parts of a computer are important. Discuss.
The different parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and UPS. Monitor, it looks like a TV screen and it shows the output. With the monitor, we will not be able to see the result. CPU, the full form is Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of the computer, and without this, the computer will not work. Keyboard, we type and input data in
Christmas. Kar matra sa masa. Christmas के का एक ही मात्रा के. अवसर 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 पर लोग ला ओ की मात्रा ग लोग. अपने अपना एक ही मात्रा अपने. संबंधियों स आधा मा ब आधा ना ध छोटी की मात्रा य ओ की मात्रा अनुस्वर. संबंधियों तथा तथा आ की मात्रा तथा मित्रों. म छोटी की मात्रा त्र ओ की मात्रा अनुस्वार. मित्रों को का ओ की मात्रा को बधाई. ब ध आ की मात्रा बरी बधाई. कार्ड का आ की मात्रा डरे कार्ड. भेजते भ ए की मात्रा ज ता ए की मात्रा भेजते है. हाँ ए की मात्रा है. Yabra, is it okay? Say the spelling uninterrupted. Power. Supply. Which part of the computer is known as a pointing device?
The mouse is not
the pointing device.
Name 2 types of keys found on a computer keyboard.
Key and the numeric key.
Okay, now tell me in one word. I keep the computer on for some time even after the electricity goes off.
Uninterrupted power supply.
Uninterrupted power supply.
Now say the spelling, all of you together say the spelling.
Uninterrupted power supply.
You hear sound from the computer through me.
Speaker.
Through me, you can record your voice into the computer.
A microphone.
Okay, all of you, nobody will reply. Priyanka, you tell me the spelling of microphone.
Microphone. Microphone.
Okay, now everybody say together. I copy pictures from paper onto the computer.
Home.
Dr. Aarti is taking a patient's record on the computer. Where?
Hospital.
The class teacher types and prints out worksheets. Where?
School.
Anjali types and stores important documents at work. Where?
Office.
Miss Suzanne uses a computer to print bills when we buy cakes and cookies from a shop. Yes.
Shop.
Yes, yes. Now tell me the answer. How are computers used in schools? What's that?
A yellow flower.
No. What is a describing word? Words that tell us more.
About.
The next, come up with next. Words that tell us more about.
Naming what? Apple.
Sorry?
What?
Describing words. Yes, very good. Next, it is a dash dress. Color of the dress.
Pink dress.
You look dash.
Petty.
Petty nate, pretty. Okay, it will be pretty. There are dash oranges.
2.
This is a dash cake.
Tasty.
I want dash coffee.
What? What?
Hot. She is a dash lady.
All.
I am reading a dash book.
Interesting.
Very good. Be careful on a dash road. Curvy road. Now you say which are the describing words. Okay. They put the baby on a green bed.
Green.
Very good. I watched a comedy film.
Committee.
Very good. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician.
Military.
Yes. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall.
Beautiful.
The hungry dog looked at the bone.
Hungry.
Mary liked her new pen.
New.
It is a dirty cloth.
Dirty.
The circus is full of funny clowns.
Funny.
This is a hot pan, so be careful.
Hot.
The baby loves to play with colorful balloons.
Colorful.
These words have to form a new word. Take the E of elephant, M of mango, A of apple, I of igloo, and L of lion. Now, what is the word?
Email.
Yes.
Email. Very good. Next, we